of AM, Wednesday, May 11th. I'm Steve McMurray, in for Gary. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. And her forecast number more than 10 minutes away, and we continue this stretch of really, really nice weather.
Yes, so it is kind of going to be the same way as yesterday, but a little bit warmer. Instead of in the low 70s, we will be in the upper 70s. We are getting warmer, so it is going to feel a lot more like summer.
All right, top 10, awesome.
Yes, so let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are a little chilly this morning in the upper 30s to low 40s, but we are going to rise right near 80 for today with that sunshine. We are dry once again on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar and are looking to remain dry up until the weekend. So the sunshine and the warmth for today does continue. We will continue to see an increase in humidity, getting humid by this weekend, and we're not going to be seeing any rain up until this weekend. That's where we get the possibility of a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms because that humidity will increase. But as for today, a slight breeze outside, sunshine, and highs in the upper 70s, and I will have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. Roads were shut.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We have another beautiful day in store today with sunshine and highs in the upper 70s. So let's take a look now at our Cavi tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with clear skies this morning, but once again, a little bit chilly. Our temperatures are in the upper 30s to low 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York once again. It does look to remain dry up until the weekend. We are seeing little to no cloud cover as well, with just a slight breeze outside. Temperatures this morning are in the 40s and 30s. We have 40 degrees in Dowdesville, 38 degrees in Little Falls, and 43 degrees in Westmoreland. Looking to the south, we have 36 degrees in Hamilton, Sherburne, and in Norwich here this morning. But we will rise today to the upper 70s, and then for tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, we will be in the low 80s. On Sunday, we will drop to the upper 70s once again, but then heading into the beginning of next week, we will start to cool down in the low 70s on Monday and in the 60s on Tuesday. So if you did want to get outside, do any yard work, mow your lawn, I would say yes for the rest of the week. Today, tomorrow, Friday, we look to remain dry with that sunshine, but then as we head into the weekend, the humidity increases, so there's the possibility for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms for both Saturday and Sunday. So if you were going to go outside at all this weekend, it still is going to be warm and we are still going to be seeing some sunshine, but there is the possibility for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. More humidity comes in on Sunday, so Sunday has a better chance to see a thunderstorm or two. But we are going to be clear for most of today and for the rest of the week. Today we are going to be seeing little to no cloud cover. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s with a slight breeze outside. And then tonight our temperatures will drop into the 40s. We will remain mostly clear. And tomorrow, once again, mostly sunny. Highs are going to be in the low 80s. Heading into Friday, we will see a little bit more cloud cover for partly cloudy skies on Friday, but still looking to remain mostly dry with highs in the low 80s once again. But as for today, we are seeing sunshine. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s with just a slight breeze outside. And tonight we will remain clear with a low temperature in the 40s. So the sunshine and the dry weather continues for the rest of the week. Mostly sunny skies today. We will warm up a little bit for tomorrow and Friday with highs in the low 80s and see a little bit more cloud cover, but still sunshine. The humidity increases for the weekend, allowing for a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks.
We're saying good morning to Sangerfield and all of the greater Utica region. We are still experiencing very dry and low humidity for today, so there still is an elevated risk for fire spread, and the fire ban is still in effect until May 14th, so keep that in mind. But this coming weekend, there is the chance for us to see a lunar eclipse. It happens on Sunday night, May 15th. Later in the night, starts at 10:28 p.m. The total eclipse is at just after midnight, and then it ends at 1:55 in the morning on Monday. So So a lunar eclipse is basically when the moon moves behind the Earth's shadow and allows for the moon to kind of project a really bright red color. So there is a storm system moving up the coast Saturday night, allowing us to see a few thunderstorms on Sunday, especially Sunday night as well. But we are tracking a few breaks in the cloud cover, so there is a possibility that we could see this lunar eclipse on Sunday night into early Monday morning. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, thanks a lot, Hannah. Hopefully we can at least catch a glimpse of that eclipse at some point. Well, the city of Utica is conducting. It is 5:30. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now, and like you said, chilly start. It almost feels very spring-like, closer to fall-like, I would say.
Yeah.
But then it's going to get summer-like. Welcome to Central New York. It changes every 10 minutes.
I know. I've been loving the past couple of days with the sunshine, the warmth, and it's going to be similar to yesterday, but a little bit warmer. We'll be in the upper 70s today.
Good stuff.
So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the 30s to low 40s here this morning. Once again, we will reach the upper 70s as that sunshine comes out for the day. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, as we are looking to remain dry until this weekend. Not really any chance of rain. We are going to continue to see the sunshine and the warm weather. We will see an increase in humidity as we head into the weekend, and for the weekend, that's the chance where we will be seeing possible showers and possible pop-up thunderstorms. But as for today, we will continue to see sunshine and dry weather. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s, and I'll have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
Hannah, thanks. Recapping our
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking another beautiful day today with our high temperatures reaching the upper 70s. So let's take a look now at the CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with clear skies this morning. Should be a nice sunrise, but it is a little bit chilly. A lot of our temperatures are in the low 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York, and it is looking to remain dry up until the weekend. We are also seeing no cloud cover as well as a slight breeze outside. Another beautiful day in store today, just like yesterday, but even warmer. A lot of our temperatures this morning are in the upper 30s to low 40s. We have 48 degrees in Whitesboro, 42 degrees in Westmoreland, and 39 degrees in Dowdesville. Looking to the south, we have 34 degrees in Sherburne and 35 degrees in Norwich here this morning. So our high temperature today is going to reach the upper 70s, and we are going to get even warmer for the end of the week. We will be in the low 80s through Saturday, the upper 70s once again on Sunday, and as we head into the beginning of next week, we will drop a little bit in temperature in the low 70s on Monday and in the 60s on Tuesday. So if you did want to get any yard work done, maybe mow your lawn, do any gardening, I would say yes through the rest of the week. Today, tomorrow, Friday, it is going to remain dry. We're not looking to see any precipitation until we head into this weekend. So we are going to see an increase in humidity as we head into the end of the week. This brings in the possibility of a few pop-up showers and a few pop-up thunderstorms for both days for the weekend. More humidity on Sunday, so there is more of a chance to see a pop-up thunderstorm, but it is still going to be warm, and we are still going to be seeing breaks in the clouds for some sunshine throughout the day. But for today, we are seeing no cloud cover, mostly sunny skies. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s with just a slight breeze outside. Tonight, we will drop into the 40s because it is going to remain mostly clear. And we are going to get to even warmer tomorrow. Highs are going to reach the low 80s. Heading into Friday, once again, dropping into the 50s overnight. And for Friday, we'll be seeing a little bit more cloud cover. We will be seeing partly cloudy skies and highs once again reaching the low 80s. But as for today, we will be in the upper 70s with sunshine all throughout the day, so make sure you get outside. Tonight, we will remain clear with a low in the 40s. So the sunshine and the warmth continues for the rest of the week. We will be seeing dry conditions up until Friday. Highs are going to reach the low 80s for tomorrow and Friday. And for the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity, allowing for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Back to you, Steve.
All right, looks great. Thanks, Hannah. Jim Cott was recently.
Welcome back. It is going to be another nice day to go outside, plant your garden, or water your plants. I would say water them through Friday. Saturday and Sunday, there is a chance for a pop-up shower or a pop-up storm. Precipitation's not looking to happen until this weekend. So here's the full weekend forecast. We are going to be seeing more humidity on Sunday than Saturday, but still both days it is going to be pretty humid for the possibility of a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will be near 80 on Saturday and in the upper 70s on Sunday, so a little bit cooler on Sunday. So speaking of severe weather, tomorrow night our severe weather show that our weather team put together is going to be airing at 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. So if you have any interest in severe weather and learning about it, this will be airing tomorrow night at 7 p.m. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, look forward to that, Hannah. Travel is back in a big way. a.m. Wednesday, May 11th. I'm Steve McMurray, in for Gary. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. And as you said, a little chilly start, but boy, is it going to get a lot better.
Yes, so it is going to be very similar to yesterday, but it is going to be a lot warmer. We'll be in the upper 70s rather than the lower 70s, so it's going to feel very nice outside today.
Awesome.
So let's take a look now at the temperatures. We are in the upper 30s to low 40s here this morning. We will rise to the upper 70s as that sun comes out. It's going to warm up pretty quickly for today. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar and are looking to remain dry up until the weekend. So the sunshine and the warmth continues for the rest of the week, but we will continue to see an increase in humidity. And for this weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, because it is going to be pretty humid, we are going to start seeing a pop-up shower or a pop-up thunderstorm or two for both days this weekend. But as of today, we are mostly sunny, a slight breeze, highs in the upper 70s, and I'll have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
Thanks, Hannah. Roads were
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are expecting another beautiful day today with temperatures reaching the upper 70s. So let's take a look now at our CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out with clear, sunny skies here this morning, and it is a bit chilly, but we are going to warm up. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York. It is looking to remain dry up until the weekend. We are seeing no cloud cover on our radar and satellite for today. Just a slight breeze outside, so it is going to be another pleasant day like yesterday, but just a little bit warmer. Right now, we are starting out in the 30s and 40s, according to our sky watchers. We have just 38 degrees in Old Forge, 45 degrees in Yorkville, and 41 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 39 degrees in Cooperstown and 37 degrees in Evanston. But once the sun comes out here this morning, we are going to warm up quite quickly. Our high temperature today is going to be in the upper 70s, and it is going to get even warmer for the rest of the week into the weekend. We will be in the low 80s for the high temperature up until Saturday. In the upper 70s for Sunday, so still warm. But heading into next week, we will start to cool down a little bit. We will be in the low 70s for Monday and in the 60s once again for Tuesday. So if you did want to get any yard work done or maybe mow your lawn, I would say yes through the rest of the week. Today, tomorrow, Friday, we are expecting dry conditions with sunshine, and we are going to be pretty warm. We are not expecting to see any precipitation until this weekend. So as we head into the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity. It is going to be humid on both Saturday and Sunday and still pretty warm. So this brings in the possibility of a few pop-up showers and the possible thunderstorm. So it is going to be a little more humid on Sunday. So we do have a better chance to see a thunderstorm on Sunday. Before these next 3 days, we are going to be dry still. Not a cloud in the sky today. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s with a slight breeze. And tonight we will drop down into the 40s for the low temperature once again as we remain clear. We are going to be even warmer tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the low 80s and remaining warm on Friday. We will only drop into the 50s for the overnight low into Friday. See a little bit of cloud cover on Friday, but still pretty warm and dry. highs in the low 80s. As for today, we are seeing sunshine throughout the whole entire day, just like yesterday, but a little bit warmer. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and tonight we will remain clear with a low in the 40s. So the sunshine and the warmth does continue into the rest of the week. We will be seeing a little bit warmer weather for tomorrow and Friday, highs in the low 80s, and an increase in humidity for the weekend, allowing for some possible thunderstorms on both Saturday and Sunday. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. The FD.
We're saying good morning to Sanger Field and all of the greater Utica region. The weather is going to remain dry with low humidity through today, so the elevated risk for fire spread is still there for today. And just remember, the statewide fire ban is still in effect until May 14th, so just be careful of that. Now, looking ahead for this weekend, there is going to be a total lunar eclipse Sunday night into Monday morning. It begins at 10:28 p.m. Sunday night, and it ends at 1:55 in the morning on Monday. We are tracking a little bit of cloud cover, so hopefully we'll still be able to see it, but basically a lunar eclipse is when the moon gets hidden by Earth's shadow and it allows for it to reflect red, so it is going to be red in the sky. So there is a storm system just to our north on Sunday throughout the day, so we are tracking some thunderstorms specifically on Sunday evening. There are going to be possible breaks in the clouds Sunday night, so hopefully we'll be able to view the lunar eclipse. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. The 6:30 a.m. Wednesday, May 11th. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary today. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day. Her forecast never more than 10 minutes away. And like you said, chilly start, but oh man, is it going to be nice later.
Yes, so it is going to be very similar to yesterday with the sunshine, but it is going to be a little bit warmer with temperatures in the upper 70s for the high, so it is going to feel very nice outside.
This has been a great stretch.
I know it has been.
Unbelievable.
So let's take a look now at our temperatures. We are in the 30s to 40s here this morning. We will reach the upper 70s today pretty quickly as the sun starts to come out this morning. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar and look to remain dry up until this weekend, so we will continue to see the sunshine and the warm weather for the rest of the week and into the weekend. But as we head into the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity, allowing for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms possible for both Saturday and on Sunday. But for the rest of this week, it is going to remain dry. As for today, we will continue to see sunshine. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s with a slight breeze. And I'll have your weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We have another beautiful day in store today with sunshine and highs in the upper 70s. Let's take a look now at our Cavie Tower camera. We are starting out mostly clear with sunshine here this morning, not a cloud in the sky. It is a little bit chilly, though, with our temperatures in the 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York, and it is looking to remain dry up until the weekend. We are also seeing not a cloud in sight on our radar and satellite, with just a slight breeze outside, so it is going to be another pleasant day just like yesterday, but it is going to be even warmer. So we are starting out pretty chilly once again in the 30s to 40s. We have 38 degrees in Old Forge, 36 degrees in Clinton, and 45 degrees in Yorkville. Looking to the south, we have 38 degrees in West Lawrence, Milford, and in Morris. So we are starting out pretty chilly, but once the sun starts shining, we will warm up pretty quickly into the 60s by late morning, and then our high is going to be in the upper 70s for today. It is going to get even warmer for the end of the week. We will be in the low 80s up until Saturday, dropping into the upper 70s once again on Sunday. And as we head into next week, the warm weather kind of comes to an end. We will still be in the low 70s on Monday, but come Tuesday, we will be back just around average for this time of year in the 60s. So if you did want to go outside, get any yard work done, mow your lawn, I would say yes for the rest of this week. Today, tomorrow, and Friday, we are expecting to remain dry. Not looking to see any precipitation up until the weekend. So as we head into the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity. This brings in the possibility for a few showers and pop-up thunderstorms for both Saturday and Sunday. It is going to be more humid on Sunday Sunday than Saturday, so there is a higher chance to see some showers and a possible thunderstorm on Sunday. So that's what the weekend is looking like. Otherwise, there are going to be breaks in the clouds for some peaks of sunshine, but it is going to be kind of humid. But for the rest of this week, we are going to be dry. Not a cloud in sight on our skycast for today. A slight breeze outside. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s. And tonight we will remain clear. Our low temperature will fall into the 40s. So for tomorrow, we are going to be even warmer than today. We are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies, highs in the low 80s for tomorrow. And then on Friday, we will start out in the 50s in the morning, and then we will be seeing partly cloudy skies, highs in the low 80s once again for Friday. As for today, sunshine is expected throughout the entire day. Very pleasant outside. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s with low humidity. And tonight we will remain clear with a low in the 40s. So we are expecting the sunshine and the warmth for the rest of the week. We will remain dry through Friday. Then see an increase in humidity for the weekend, allowing for the possibility of a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Back to you, Steve.
All right, thanks a lot, Hannah. Jim.
Welcome back. We are still tracking warm and dry weather up until the weekend. So if you did want to go outside, water your plants or plant your garden, today through Friday would be good. Saturday and Sunday, there is the possibility for a few pop-up showers and storms because we are going to be seeing an increase in humidity for both of these days. So scattered showers are expected for both days and the possibility of a pop-up thunderstorm here and there in the afternoon and evening hours. So speaking of severe weather, we do have our severe weather show airing tomorrow night at 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. Our weather team put this together, so if you do have any interest at all in severe weather, it would be good to watch this show. It airs tomorrow night, once again, 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, thanks. News, 7 a.m., Wednesday, May 11th. I'm Steve McMurray in for Gary. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help you plan your day, and it's already warmed up, and it's going to be a great day today.
Yes, so another great day just like yesterday, but a little bit warmer. We'll reach the upper 70s with that sunshine, so I hope this trend continues.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look now at the bus stop forecast. If you are heading out to the bus stop, I would say it is a little chilly this morning. Temperatures are in the 40s at this point with sunshine, but by the afternoon we will reach the upper 70s with sunshine, so it is going to get a lot warmer. So expect it to warm up pretty quickly today in the 60s already by 10 a.m. Upper 70s by this evening with just a slight breeze outside. And tonight we will drop down into the 40s with clear skies. Back to you, Steve.
All right, Hannah, we'll check in with you again shortly.
Back, here's a live look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We see not a cloud in the sky this morning on our Oneonta camera. It is going to be a beautiful day outside for today. It is going to remain dry up until the end of the week. Tracking out for the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity, allowing for a few pop-up showers and possible pop-up thunderstorms for both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures on Saturday will reach near 80, and we will be in the upper 70s for Sunday. But as for today, we are seeing another top 10 day. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s with a slight breeze and sunshine. And tonight we will remain clear with a low in the upper 40s. Back to you, Steve.
All right, thanks a lot, Hannah.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We have another pleasant day in store today with sunshine throughout the day and highs in the upper 70s. Let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are starting out mostly sunny this morning, not a cloud in the sky, a little bit chilly with our temperatures in the 40s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York, and it is looking to remain dry up until the end of the week. We are also seeing not a cloud in sight on our radar and just a slight breeze in our area. It is going to be another pleasant day today, just like yesterday, but a little bit warmer. We are starting out chilly this morning according to our sky watchers. We have 38 degrees in Old Forge, 45 degrees in Yorkville, and 36 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 39 degrees in Cooperstown and 37 degrees in Evanston this morning, but we are looking to warm up pretty quickly in the 60s 60s by around 10 a.m. and in the upper 70s for the high temperature today. We are going to be getting even warmer for the end of the week. We will be in the lower 80s up until Saturday, dropping to the upper 70s, but still warm once again on Sunday. And we are going to be cooling down next week, still in the low 70s on Monday, but looking ahead to Tuesday, we will be in the 60s once again. So if you did want to mow your lawn, I would definitely say for today, tomorrow, and Friday, it will be a great days to do that or do any yard work. But come Saturday and Sunday, we are going to be seeing more humidity coming in, allowing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. So for this weekend, an increase in humidity is expected, allowing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm for both Saturday and Sunday. More Sunday than Saturday because it is going to be a little bit more humid, but it is still going to be warm in the upper 70s and low 80s. So for the rest of this week, we are tracking dry conditions. Today, we will see highs in the upper 70s with not a cloud in the sky. And tonight, we will remain clear with the low in the 40s. For tomorrow, we will continue to be dry with mostly sunny skies, highs in the low 80s. And then heading into Friday, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, so a little bit more cloud cover, but still pretty warm and dry, highs in the low 80s. As for today, we will reach the upper 70s with mostly sunny skies and a slight breeze, so make sure you get outside. And tonight, we will remain clear with a low temperature in the 40s. So the sunshine and the warmth continues for the rest of this week. As we get into the weekend, we will see an increase in humidity, allowing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm for both Saturday and Sunday, and we cool down for next week.
Let's get a first look at your forecast. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking sunshine for today, and it is going to remain sunny and warm for the rest of the week. As of right now, a lot of our temperatures are in the 70s. So let's take a look at our current conditions. We are measuring 71 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. Already at noon, this is way above average for this time of year. And there is just a slight breeze outside with sunshine. We are remaining dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar and are not looking to expect any rain until this weekend. So the sunshine and the warm weather trend continues for the rest of the week, but we will start to see an increase in humidity heading into the weekend. And because of this, there is the possibility for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms this weekend for both Saturday and Sunday. But as for today, we are seeing sunshine. Highs are going to be in the upper 70s, and I'll have your full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking sunshine across all of central New York as our temperatures rise into the 70s. So let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We are seeing nothing but blue skies down in Oneonta, not a cloud in the sky. It is going to be a beautiful day outside, and our temperatures are looking to reach the upper 70s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still tracking dry conditions across all of central New York, and it is looking to remain dry up until the weekend. We are also tracking little to no cloud cover, not a cloud in the sky as we just saw on our camera, as well as just a slight breeze. So honestly, it is a perfect day outside, feeling a lot more like summer than spring. All of our temperatures right now are basically in the 70s. We have 72 degrees in Old Forge, Mohawk, and Otsego, and 69 degrees in Cassville and in Cooperstown. We will rise to the upper 70s today, and we will have a very high UV index. So if you are heading outside at all, I would definitely make sure you wear sunscreen, but it also is a good day to tan if you like to tan. We will have a high UV index today at around 1 to 3 p.m. at a level close to 8. But different story for the weekend. It is still going to be warm. We will be right near 80 for both Saturday and Sunday, but we will see an increase in humidity. As of right now, our conditions are dry, but humid conditions will come in for the weekend, allowing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm for both the days on Saturday and Sunday, especially in the afternoon and in the evening hours. So let's enjoy these next few days because it is still going to be dry. Nothing but sunshine here this afternoon. Highs are going to reach the upper 70s, and and tonight we will remain clear with a low dropping into the 40s. Heading into tomorrow, we will once again be in the upper 70s to low 80s for some of us, seeing mostly sunny skies throughout the day, and overnight lows will drop into the 50s. For Friday, a little bit more cloud cover, but still remaining dry. We're looking at partly cloudy skies and high temperatures in the low 80s for Friday. But as for today, another top 10 day, we are looking at beautiful blue skies. Highs are in the upper 70s. And tonight we will remain clear with a low in the upper 40s. So we are going to continue to see dry weather up until Friday. It is going to be in the 80s for tomorrow and Friday. And humidity comes in for this weekend, allowing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm for both Saturday and Sunday. And heading into next week, we will start to cool down to just around average for temperatures. Now, this is just a reminder that our weather team has put together a severe weather show that is going to air tomorrow night at 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. So I highly recommend watching it to get the importance of severe weather since we are heading into summer, which is severe weather season. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. People, for a first look at your forecast again this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking sunshine here this afternoon, and we are going to continue to see this dry and warm weather for the rest of the week. So let's take a look right now at the current conditions. We are measuring 71 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome with just a slight breeze outside and mostly sunny skies. So it is a beautiful afternoon, and we are looking to rise even more to the upper 70s for today. We are dry on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and will continue to be dry up until this weekend. So the sunshine and the warm weather continues until the end of the week, but we will start to see an increase in humidity after today, especially for the weekend. And because this weekend is going to be a bit humid, we are going to be seeing possible pop-up showers and thunderstorms for both Saturday and Sunday. But as for today, we are seeing sunshine. Highs will reach the upper 70s, and I'll have the full weekend forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. The state
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still tracking sunshine and warm weather through the region today, with our high temperatures reaching the upper 70s. So let's take a look now at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We see not a cloud in the sky in Oneonta. Mostly sunny skies across all of central New York, and it is going to get very warm outside for today. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, we are still tracking dry conditions across all of central New York, and it is looking to remain dry up until the weekend. We are also seeing no cloud cover in our area, as well as just a slight breeze outside, so it is going to be another great day outside today, kind of similar to yesterday, but even warmer. So we are basically in the 70s right now, according to our sky watchers. We have 72 degrees in Old Forge, Mohawk, and Otsego, and 69 degrees in Cassville and in Cooperstown here at noon. But we are looking to rise to the upper 70s today. The sun is also going to be shining very bright outside. We do have a very high UV index around 1 to 3 p.m. It will be at a level close to 8. So if you are getting ready to head outside, I would definitely put on sunscreen. It is a good day to tan, but definitely put on sunscreen because it is a very high level for UV index. So I would definitely enjoy the weather for today and tomorrow and Friday because it is going to change a little bit come the weekend. So we are seeing dry conditions for today, but we will start to see an increase in humidity for humid conditions on Saturday and Sunday. This brings in the possibility for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms for both days on Saturday and Sunday, but it is still going to be warm with highs right near 80. But let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We are dry for today, mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 70s, and tonight we will remain clear with the low dropping into the upper 40s. We will remain mostly sunny once again for tomorrow, a little bit warmer, highs in the low 80s, and tomorrow overnight not as cold, just dropping into the upper 50s. For Friday, we will be seeing a little bit of cloud cover for partly cloudy skies, but it is still going to be warm and dry with our highs in the low 80s. But as for today, we do have a high in the upper 70s. Mostly sunny skies, another great day outside today, just like yesterday, but a little bit warmer. And tonight, we will be a little bit warmer for our low temperatures as well. We will only drop into the upper 40s. So we are going to remain dry up until the weekend. Thursday and Friday, highs in the low 80s, and an increasing humidity for the weekend on Saturday and Sunday with the chance of a pop-up shower or storm. We are going to cool down a little bit heading into next week. So speaking of thunderstorms and severe weather, we do have our severe weather show put on by our weather team airing tomorrow night at 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. It would be good to watch it for more information on severe weather because this season, summer, is severe weather season. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Now to that remarkable story.
First look at the forecast. A first look at a beautiful forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. That's
So
sunshine
warm
today.
Yeah, first time we've hit 80 so far this year. So we're going to see a few more of these days ahead. And with it being so sunny and it's so dry, we also have an increased risk for brush fires spreading. This was taken in southern Otsego County earlier today. And again, just a reminder, the burn ban remains in effect until May 14th. And it's days like today where it's very, very dry and very warm. And we're also in that time of year where the leaves aren't fully on the trees just yet, which means the ground dries out pretty quickly. So again, just something to keep in mind. Current temperature is 82 degrees. The relative humidity is only 20%. Again, really dry, very warm. And this weather is going to continue over the next couple of days. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We drop down into the 40s tonight, so we do cool off. The warm weather continues over the next couple of days. No rain in the forecast until the weekend. Looks like Saturday will be our first chance of getting any rain. Pleasant conditions this evening, temperatures in the 70s. We're tracking how long that warm weather lasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Utica's new Children's Museum.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A beautiful day across central New York. Plenty of sunshine. Let's take a live look outside. Our CAV Tower Cam is overlooking the city of Utica. The leaves are coming out so quickly. It changes so rapidly. It seems like we really jump right into from spring to summer here with that quick transition taking place once again this year. Temperatures will be in the low 80s over the next couple of days as we take a live look at our CAV Tower Cam. Things are looking pretty quiet across the area. We are dry, and we will stay dry heading into the next several days. If you do need to cut the lawn, you've got lots of opportunity to do that tomorrow as well as Friday. Even early Saturday looks good. It's not until later in the day that we do expect to see some rain return. And our MoCast is sponsored by Clinton Tractor. As we look at conditions across the area, again, a very warm evening. Inlet 82 degrees, Dolgeville 81, Whitesboro 83, Loudville 83. Actually warmer in the Adirondacks today compared to the southern valleys. Norwich 79, Sherburne 82, and Hamilton checking in with 79. Beautiful weather today. Great evening to get out for a walk. Temperatures will be in the 70s, and take the dog out for a nice long walk. It will cool off later this evening. Tonight's featured dog is Macy from New York Mills, and if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. It stays warm over the next few days. We'll be in the 80s through Saturday, and then we start to cool down as we head into Monday of next week as a cold front arrives. Dry weather continues, high pressure in control. It's been remarkably different along the coast of New England. Temperatures have been in the 40s today with a strong east wind off the cold Atlantic Ocean. But again, our warm weather is going to continue here in central New York. Stern Tracker 2 Skycast, clear skies tonight. We drop down into the upper 40s. Beautiful day tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Tomorrow night, the weather remains dry. A few high clouds start to build in as we head into Friday. Temperatures once again climb into the low 80s. Our next chance of rain looks to arrive late Saturday. Clear skies tonight down to 48. Beautiful day tomorrow, very warm, and still looking at low levels of humidity too. Temperatures in the low 80s. The humidity does rise later into the weekend with a better bet for some showers and storms late Saturday as well as Sunday. It does cool down. Some rain showers Monday, temperatures in the low 60s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And coming up, we're going to have an update on sky cover for the lunar eclipse expected Sunday night.
All right, Bill, thank you. It's the most common cancer to the Weather Center, where Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis also went back to school today.
Yeah, this time went to Marcy Elementary School. Got a chance to talk to the entire third grade class right there, all in one shot. And again, just a big thank you to the teachers for inviting me out. Kids had a great time. It was a lot of fun. And again, talked about our most popular topics, especially getting ready for the summertime, talking a lot about lightning and thunder and flooding, things to watch out for as we get into the warmer season. A total lunar eclipse is scheduled for the night of May 15th, so that's Sunday night. A lunar eclipse is when the Earth's shadow is cast by the moon. Now, we are expecting this to happen locally. It begins at 10:28 in the evening. The total eclipse is around midnight. The question is cloud cover. We've been watching this all week, and it still doesn't look great for our area. This is when we're expecting the eclipse to begin. We actually have some rain in the forecast for late Sunday evening, so we'll continue to keep you posted, but again, at this point, it doesn't look good. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's looking dry, clear skies, pleasant conditions this evening, temperatures in the low 70s. We're tracking some warm weather to continue over the next couple of days. Look at that forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Happening today and tomorrow.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A beautiful evening here in central New York. Temperatures will be in the 70s. Today, by the way, the first time we hit 80 in 2022. Let's take a live look outside our CAV tower cam. It is greening up as we look south towards the city of Utica. This is our vantage point from Smith Hill, and just an absolutely gorgeous evening is expected across the region. Our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is looking dry across the area. Just a reminder as we continue into this sunny week, sunscreen is a definite must, especially in the middle of the day. The UV index tomorrow will be at an 8, so that is very high, especially between the hours of 10 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, you're going to need that sunscreen if you're going to be spending time outdoors. The record high, 89 today. We were not that far off. The high so far, 82. That record goes back to 1953. We're typically in the mid-60s this time of the year, so temperatures are about 15 to 20 degrees above average. It's very warm across the region. Even the Adirondacks, the North Country, not escaping temperatures near 80. Old Forge, 80 degrees. Inlet, 81. That's unusual to see even in the summertime for these areas. Paynes Hollow, 80. Mike and New Hartford with 80 degrees. Clinton, 80. Across Southern Valleys, Sequoia, 78. Hartwick, Deb checks in with 76. And West Lawrence, Diane with 80 degrees. The radar and satellite image shows very quiet weather, but not too far away from us. It was a very different story along New England. Coastal New England getting a wind off the Atlantic. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s today along Cape Cod. But again, our weather looks dry. Really not much change going on. Our next chance of rain doesn't look to be until Saturday. Clear skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 40s. Tomorrow, beautiful day, sunshine. We warm up very quickly, and like the past several days, it will be quite dry out there. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Tomorrow night, increasing clouds. This is some light fog early Friday morning. Friday afternoon, return to sunshine. Temperatures making a run into the low 80s. Clear skies tonight down to 48. Tomorrow, another beautiful day. Very warm, too, a high of 83. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Looking at sunshine Friday, 82 with a chance of a pop-up shower or storm late Saturday. That doesn't look to last all day, a high of 80. Showers, storms Sunday, rain showers Monday. It does cool down. Temperatures in the low 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Coming up at 6 o'clock, we're going to look at how this warm weather is affecting the pollen count. Stay with us.
Look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Beautiful day today. Temperatures made it into the 80s for the first time this year. Current temperature is 82 degrees. The relative humidity is incredibly low. It's only 18%. And once again, we are seeing brush fires spreading very quickly across the area today. This was in southern Otsego County. Just a reminder that burn ban is in effect until May 14th. If we get this type of weather, again, it's an elevated risk for fires spreading when the relative humidity is really low. It's also the time of the year where the leaves haven't quite made it fully on the trees, and so the really strong sun warms up and dries out the ground very quickly. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry. It'll cool off quickly tonight. Temperatures drop down into the 40s. Warm weather continues over the next couple of days. We stay dry until the weekend. This evening, temperatures will be in the 70s. Pleasant. Again, tracking some warm weather over the next few days, and also the risk for rain as we head into the weekend. Look at your forecasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
For the third time this
New
week.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. An absolutely beautiful day across central New York with lots of sunshine. Temperatures made it into the 80s for the first time this year, and we're looking at a great evening to get out and enjoy. This is a look at our Cooperstown camera, and you can see the leaves are coming out, and again, the hustle and bustle of Cooperstown. You can see on our screen here, plenty of sunshine across the area, and it will stay dry for the rest of this evening. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As you can imagine, with the high levels of pollen in the air, this is not going anywhere anytime soon. With dry weather and sunshine, plants love this kind of weather, and we're looking at high levels of pollen for the foreseeable future. It looks like we might get some relief by early next week with our next chance of widespread rain. Today's high temperature 82, not that far away from the record high of 89 set back in 1953. We're typically in the mid-60s this time of the year, so we are way above average. Norway 77, Middleville 81 degrees, West Leiden 78, even in the low 80s in the Adirondacks. Worcester 78, Newport 83, Devon Hartwick checking in with 76 degrees. The radar and satellite image, there really hasn't been much of weather going on across our area. Really for the eastern half of the country, a stalled weather pattern where there is weather taking place along coastal New England. There's been a strong wind, which has been creating some localized flooding, cloud cover, and just very cool conditions along Cape Cod, all thanks to the chilly Atlantic Ocean. But again, being far enough away from that, we've been enjoying some very nice weather, and that will continue. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, clear skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. We warm up very quickly tomorrow, just like the past several days. Sunshine, temperatures will be close to 80 in the afternoon. The weather remains dry as we get into tomorrow night. A few clouds start to build in as we head into early Friday. Some high clouds throughout Friday afternoon. Once again, temperatures climb into the low 80s. Clear skies tonight, low 48. Tomorrow, another warm and sunny day, with temperatures climbing into the low 80s. We will notice some changes in our weather as we look ahead. First of all, the humidity starts to climb, so temperatures will still remain in the low 80s Friday and Saturday, but it will feel a little bit less comfortable. And also the overnight lows come up. Instead of being in the 30s and 40s, we're into the 50s and 60s, so not a bad idea to think about putting in your air conditioner. The chance of a pop-up shower late Saturday, better chance for showers and storms Sunday as a cold front arrives, and we do cool down. Some rain showers Monday and Tuesday, temperatures in the low 60s by next Wednesday. Kristen.
Thank you. Still to come here on News Channel 2 at...
Look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
And the nice weather continues here in central New York. We're looking at dry weather going forward. Just a reminder, as we have very low humidity, sunshine, we've had several dry days in a row. The ground is very dry, and with a little bit of a breeze tomorrow, it will be very easy for brush fires to spread. So just a reminder, the burn ban remains in effect until May 14th. Across central New York, we'll be talking about dry conditions here over the next couple of days. A reminder to mark your calendar. Tomorrow, our Severe Weather Show debuts on CBS Utica at 7 o'clock in the evening. Our weather team is getting you ready for the severe weather season on how to prepare for the upcoming changes in weather that we're expecting. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet across the region. Our current temperature is down to 61 degrees. We made it to the low 80s today. Nice warm afternoon. We'll continue to see some warmer temperatures ahead. Clear skies tonight. We're down to 48. Again, nice warm weather heading into the end of the week, but we do have some rain in the forecast as we head into the weekend. Look at the forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. For the third time this...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look in Cooperstown tonight. We have clear skies and light winds across central New York. We expect temperatures to continue to fall pretty rapidly. We'll drop down into the upper 40s as we head into tomorrow morning. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region. With dry weather in place, sunshine, and the fact that we're in mid-May, that means we are in the peak of pollen season. Levels look incredibly high over the next several days. It's not until the second half of the weekend before the levels begin to drop with some much needed rain. That being said, if you're looking to cut the lawn, the next couple of days look great. You want to get the lawn cut early Saturday, as we do have some rain in the forecast. Our MoCast is now sponsored by Clinton Tractor. Looking around the clock, Tomorrow morning, starting out in the 50s, we warm up very quickly. We're expecting high temperatures to be in the low 80s in the afternoon, light winds throughout the day, and much like the past several days, sunshine from start to finish. By the way, our high temperature today, 82, the record high, 89. We were not that far off from it. Record high goes back to 1953. Our typical average high, I should say, is in the mid-60s for this time of the year. Things continue to remain very quiet across the area. We're tracking high pressure that remains in firm control of our weather. Clear skies tonight. We drop down into the upper 40s. Another beautiful day tomorrow. Temperatures rise rapidly. We have low humidity that will be hanging around. So it will be a warm day, but it won't be all that humid. Tomorrow night, increasing clouds. We'll start out the day with some patchy fog early Friday, and then we'll see plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures once again climb into the low 80s. Clear skies tonight, down to 48. Tomorrow, another beautiful day, very warm, a high of 83. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We're in the low 80s again Friday. The weather changes on Saturday. We are tracking a few scattered showers later in the day, a high of 80 degrees. Sunday, scattered showers. A cold front arrives. This brings a better chance for rain, a temperature of 78. Sunday night, the lunar eclipse. Unfortunately, we're still tracking cloud cover and some rain. So I think viewing locally not looking great. We'll continue to keep you posted. Low 70s Monday, scattered showers. We're into the low 60s by Tuesday with a return to sunshine on Wednesday. We'll be right back.
With the first look at your forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Bill, we've been talking about this all week, and yet still we're dealing with it.
Yeah, and it's because that the dry weather, it's the time of the year. It's not only do we have very low humidity, but because the leaves are not fully on the trees yet, when the sun comes out, the sun being so strong, it can really bake the ground and make things dry out very quickly. So even though we had rain last week, we've had about a week's worth of dry weather, and we're dealing with elevated risks for brush fires to spread rapidly again tomorrow with low humidity and light winds. Again, that burn ban in effect, as Jason said, until May 14th. Tomorrow is our severe weather show. It is at 7 p.m. on CBS Utica. Our weather team, Eric Gage, Hannah Evans, and myself are talking about the severe weather season. Thunderstorms, tornadoes, hail, things that we sometimes can get here in central New York. We're getting you ready for the upcoming season. We hope you can join us. Our forecast is looking dry. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperature-wise, we're 59 degrees. We will continue to fall into the upper 40s as we head into tonight with clear skies. A couple more dry, warm, sunny days before the weather changes. And we're tracking those changes. A look at the forecasts coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. For the third time this
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is Cooperstown. Things have quieted down on the main drag here. We're looking at dry weather over the next several days and beautiful outdoor weather. A live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking quiet. The downside about all this nice weather is that the allergies, if you suffer from allergies this time of the year, it's been a rough go, hasn't it? Well, unfortunately, the levels stay very high over the next several days. It's not until the second half of the weekend where we have substantial rain, or at least enough rain in the forecast to knock down the levels of pollen. That won't really begin, though, until Sunday. Good news, though, you can continue to get out and enjoy this nice weather. If you have to cut the lawn tomorrow, Friday, looking to be great days for that. Do it a little bit earlier in the day, as it will be warm both Thursday and Friday afternoon. Our MoCast is now sponsored by Clinton Tractor. And just pointing out that Saturday, if you do want to get the cut in, you're going to want to go early because we do have some rain later in the day. Let's take you around the clock tomorrow. We start out in the 50s, but look at how quickly it warms up. This has been the thing over the past several days with dry weather, that strong May sunshine. Temperatures really warm up during the day. We're into the low 80s by the afternoon. Light winds throughout the day. And, of course, nice weather from start to finish. We're expecting plenty of sunshine. Today's high, 82, the first time we've hit 80 in 2022. This also wasn't far from the record high, which was 89, set back in 1953. We are typically in the mid-60s for high temperatures this time of the year. Quiet weather continues across upstate New York. We've got a big dome of high pressure that's been in control of our weather, and that will be will continue to be the case over the next couple of days. As it slides to the east, eventually some rain will arrive as we head into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, clear skies tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the upper 40s. Another beautiful day tomorrow, sunshine from start to finish. High temperatures in the low 80s. We're down into the 50s tomorrow night. And then Friday, we'll start out with a few clouds and finish with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures climb into the low 80s. Clear skies tonight down to 48. Tomorrow, sunshine, a very warm afternoon with highs in the low 80s. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. You might want to think about putting it in the air conditioner by Friday because the overnight lows get a lot warmer. We go from 40s to 50s tomorrow night and then into the 60s, which is more typical of early summer. Some showers, some storms show up late Saturday, especially Sunday. Much cooler weather to follow. Rain showers Monday, highs in the low 70s, low 60s by Tuesday. We'll be right back.